Good morning and welcome to Executive Care and welcome to our video production for this particular yard that we're featuring this month. As mentioned, this is a yard that we finished in June. So as we pan the landscape, you will notice that the plants are a little small. They are growing. They are bigger than June, just not a whole lot bigger yet. But this job in particular I wanted to show because, as I mentioned in the article, we have many yards here in Folsom, El Dorado, Rockland, parts of Roseville that we're dealing with slopes. And we're here in Roseville. This is where we're at. We're off of Secret Ravine Road. So we're totally within our area. As the before picture showed, it was just a complete slope going from the ground and just going straight up. And the critical thing was how to terrace it. How do you have to terrace a slope. So how do you do that without making it look terraced, unless you want a very formal appearance? I mentioned in the article that there was many, and I'm going to point some out right now, that there were many really cool plants given by the father of the husband here. Obviously the bonsai, the style of bonsai. This one was here. Back over here, if you can see in the shadows, this pine, really cool pine. And then this podocarpus, and look at the trunks. I don't know if you can see on the film, but look at the trunks. These guys are old. And that's the beauty of bonsai, is that you maintain the shape. Even this Hollywood juniper, the trunk on that one is huge, and it's gnarly, which makes it really cool looking. So these existing plants set the theme for what we were going to do. So obviously it's an Asian theme. And with the hillside, like I mentioned right now, we needed to terrace it. And so as you can see up here, we started up here. And what I want to point out is look at the grade difference between the upper and then this lower portion down here. You can see the terrace effect that the river, the stream bed, has allowed us. So we have different elevations. And if you stand from where I'm at and you look down, you can get a better appreciation of the steepness of the slope. And so with us being able to use the stream bed to cause terracing, and then also, if I can point out, we have these boulders. So in a sense, these are walls that cause another difference in grade elevation. So we have a set here, we have a set here, and then we kind of use it with the stream beds, as you can see. So by using the stream bed, the boulders, it all looks very natural, but the end goal was to terrace and to give us different elevations in different planting areas, where actually in this one section we're kind of level, and we're only not level because we've used topsoil blend to create mounds and to create different elevations as well. So it gave us a very natural effect, and really super happy with how this turned out. In the following month, we're going to show a night picture of this yard. If you can see down here, our bridges, there's a light under that bridge, and then the other one is over there, and there's a light under there. So aside from the lights that are on the plants, which I said we'll view next month when I talk about the plants and the lighting, this is a cool yard. It's a neat yard, and it's a neat thing to show what can be done with a slope. So this is one version. But if we flip this out from an Asian landscape to a Mediterranean landscape to a Northern California landscape, and if we're going to go on the natural side of things, this same blueprint or framework could go for any of those themes. So this is a start. I can talk forever, but I think you've seen it. And the fun thing was the steps. These are cool. These worked out really good. Obviously, this is a major part to the whole design. So designing these steps and how they intersect with the stream bed, like I mentioned in the article, it took 2 or 3 days of just sketching things out to get an idea in my head. But it worked good, and probably, I like it, I love it all. But I love this punch of color up at the entrance here. I think this is really nice, and it just kind of ties it all in, and it makes it friendly. Instead of just, because Asian can be kind of sterile, and putting in the flowers just makes it a friendly Asian landscape. So that's it for now. Next month we'll go into plant types and things that I like. But for now we're good. So thank you, and we'll see you next month. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.